I can solve real-life addition and subtraction problems by using strategies and building models. In this video, I'll specifically talk about add to, take from problems. When you have an add to, take from problem, you will either have an unknown result, an unknown start, or an unknown change. And it's helpful to keep these categories in mind as you're trying to solve. Please listen and follow along as I think aloud and solve a problem with you. There are 8 balloons tied in a bundle. Some more balloons were added to the bundle. Now there are 14 balloons. How many balloons were added to the bundle? When I first read this problem, I picture in my mind 8 balloons tied in a bundle. I also see that some more balloons are being added. So that is the change. That is what is added or subtracted in the problem situation. In this case, the word some tells me that is the unknown. That's what I'm looking for. I am looking for a change. The problem also says, now there are 14 balloons. Now is often a keyword for what the result or the end. In this case, there are 14 balloons after 8 balloons are added. So I'm going to draw myself a math mountain so I can visualize the problem better. Here's the math mountain. I have 14 balloons in the end. I started with 8, added some, and ended with 14. 14 is the total. When I write my equation, I'm going to leave a blank space for the unknown. I'm going to write it just as I would say it here, just as it happened in the problem situation. There's my problem. I had 8 balloons to start. I added some balloons, and that gave me 14. I can write the problem like this. I can also flip it around and write it, there are 14 balloons minus 8, and that would give me the change. Either way, I'm going to count the same way in my head to solve and find the unknown. I'm going to put 8 in my head, and I'm going to count on my fingers, and please do this with me. I'm going to put 8 in my head and start with my thumb and count on my fingers until I get to the total to see how many more balloons were added. So here we go. Put 8 in your head, 8. Now start with your thumb. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You should have 6 fingers up. So there were 6 balloons added. 8 plus the 6 balloons added to the bundle gave 14 balloons. As you know, math mountains, you can also use the inverse, or you can say 14 minus the part gives you the other part. The answers are the same. There were 6 balloons added to the bundle. Please use these strategies as you solve your problems that are add to and take from.